Are you looking for the best Minecraft toys in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best Minecraft toys. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Minecraft The Zombie Cave Building Kit. The Zombie Cave Minecraft toy from LEGO provides a hair-raising experience with a setting that boasts of the popular Steve Minecraft minifigure along with the zombie figures and bat-infested cave. The setting is designed to create an atmosphere of slight horror with the zombie and bat elements. With the number of pieces standing at 241, it is challenging enough for any child to set his imagination run wild while at the same time can make the adults think. It is a true offline translation of a popular Minecraft video game and retains the authenticity of the game. It has some impressive features like exploding TNT and falling gravels which lend some drama to the scene, and the structure ceases to be just a mundane building. The LEGO Minecraft Zombie Cave strives to create a horror scene with its zombie and bat characters and inject some drama by incorporating some additional features. For any child, this would definitely make for an interesting story, and a slightly challenging design means adults too can enjoy as much, along with their little ones. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Minecraft The Chicken Coop Building Kit. Do you love being in the countryside and wake up to the sound of roosters crowing in the morning? For children aged between 7 to 14 years, LEGO has come out with this amazing toy set to provide a similar experience. The LEGO Minecraft Chicken Coop 21140 comes with 198 pieces, which can be assembled to form a scene straight from a village. With this toy you can build a chicken farm with chicken pen, furnace, water, grass and an elevated hen chest to store Minecraft chicken eggs delivered directly into it from the henhouse. The characters in this Minecraft set include an Alex Minecraft minifigure, baby chicken, tamed wolf figure and 2 chicken figures. So, the cute Alex runs his farm by taming the wolf and tends to his hens. This LEGO Minecraft set is full of exciting characters that will stimulate your imagination. And not only children, parents too can join their kids on this adventure. This construction exercise is challenging and thrilling enough for anyone to start building it. At number 3, we have the Minecraft Transforming Sword. An exciting Minecraft toy by Mattel. This is a sword at one moment and when turned upside down, turns into a pickaxe. It provides dual utility in one product. This awesome Minecraft toy is specially made for little customers aged 6 to 10 years and weighs at just 1 pound. But that doesn't mean, if you are older you can't have it. Any Minecraft lover would love to possess something as awesome as that in their precious collection. The diamond-shaped exterior design lends it a cool and sharp and sleek look. And you won't even have to loosen your purse strings too much to get hold of this toy. Any Minecraft fan would definitely love this product. With its dual function of a sword and a pickaxe, this can be a potent double-edged weapon when you embark on your battle adventures. At number 2, we have the LEGO Minecraft The Skeleton Attack Building Kit. A real-life rendition of a popular video game, The Skeleton Attack from LEGO recreates the battleground where you are defending your fortress from the advancing skeleton horseman and his skeleton army. This exciting Minecraft is quite gigantic in size with a dimension of 6 inches high, 10 inches wide and 7 inches deep, and makes for an imposing sight. With 457 pieces to work with, it will make you rack your brains but at the same time would be hugely entertaining with an interesting narrative to go with it. It has a modular design and has 2 alternative configurations which will never cease to be interesting. It has a host of exciting characters like the Minecraft Steve figure, the skeleton horseman, other skeletons and the red sheep. With so much on offer, the price is likely to be on the higher side and therefore, this behemoth is the best premium Minecraft toy on our list. With so many characters, this Minecraft toy brings together an ensemble cast and creates a compelling narrative and makes for an interesting story. The complex structure of this toy it would be exciting enough for any adult as well. So, get yourself the skeleton Minecraft toy and get prepared to battle it out. This product is worth going for. And finally at number 1. We have the LEGO Minecraft The Nether Railway. Embark on a journey to build your own railway track underneath the surface. The Nether Railway Minecraft set from LEGO is on top of our list and the best overall. This set comes with 387 pieces and is suitable for all aged 8 years and above. The model can be reconfigured in 3 different designs and the sandbox video game fans would find this toy very appealing. To add to the excitement, this easy-to-reconfigure model comes along with Steve and zombie pigmen and magma cubes which will try to abort your quest for the precious nether quartz ore. The size is also quite comfortable at 1 inches height, 11 inches wide and 9 inches deep. So, set your creativity free for a wild ride on the tracks and get your child this Minecraft toy which sure will be a complete joy. This set would make for a great gift for your little one and is equally challenging for any older person as well. With its set of characters, it weaves an interesting story around which you could have lot of fun together and the 3 alternative model configurations mean it will set you thinking and you will never get bored. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.